All right, we are so happy to have you at Joyce Virtual School. You're welcome to math class. Today we are going to be talking about one of the basic arithmetic operations, which is addition. And we're going to be learning how to add two numbers that are up to 5 digits. All right, okay. We'll be learning about the addition of 5 digit numbers without carrying and with carrying. Okay, earlier before now, you know how to add 2 or 3, 4 digit numbers without carrying or with carrying. So now we're going to be applying the same method while adding two 5 digit numbers without carrying and with carrying, and three 5 digit numbers also without carrying and with carrying. Okay, all right, so let's get into the method. So the first thing to do in adding 5 digit numbers, two 5 digit numbers, is to arrange the numbers in columns and then add ones, then tens, then hundreds, the thousands, and finally the 10,000s. So just arrange them the way it is on the slide. You have the ones that's represented by 0, you have the tens represented by T, you have the 100 represented by H, you have the thousands represented by TH, and you have the 10,000s represented by TTH. All right. Okay, so let's consider some examples. On the addition of two numbers up to 5 digits. So let's take example 1. Consider some of these examples. We have example 1. Add 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 and 4, 6, 1, 5, 2 without carrying. So adding ones, that's the first step. So the first step, we have T, TH, we have TH, we have H, we have T, and we have 0. So, O. So under the ones, we have 7 and 2, and 7 plus 2 is 9. So the first step is adding ones. So we have 7 plus 2 under ones. So that means we have 7 ones plus 2 ones. It will give us 9 ones. Then moving on to the second step, we have adding tens. We have 4 and 5 under 10. So, and that is 4 plus 5, we have 9. So that means we have 9 tens. 9 tens. All right. So let's move to the next step. So the next step here is adding hundreds. So we have 3 and 1 under hundreds. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So that means we have 4 hundreds. 4 hundreds. Then we move to the next step. We have adding thousands. So we have 2 and 6 under our thousands. So we have 2 plus 6, that is 8. So 8. So all right, let's move to the next step. So the final, which is the last step, is adding the 10,000s. So under the 10,000, we have 1 and 4. 1 and 4, and that is 5. That is 1 plus 4, that is 5. So adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 and 4, 6, 1, 5, 2 without carrying is 5, 8, 4, 9, 9. All right. Okay, let's take example 2 now. Addition of two numbers up to 5 digits. So number 2 says add 28743 and 34978 with carrying. So in this case, we have adding ones, we have our 3, 8 under ones, and that will give us, if we see the steps beside the arrangement. So we have add ones, that is 8 plus 3, so which is equal to 11. So write 1 below in ones column and carry 1 to tens column. So that is our highlighted one on the tens column. So it's directly above 4 and 7. So all right. So let's move to the next step. The next step is adding tens. So we have 4 plus 7. So 4 plus 7. So that's 11. Then 11 plus 1 that we carried from our ones place value. So that is 12. So we have 2. Then we keep 1 again. So we'll move the 1 to hundreds. So we have 7 and 9 under hundreds. 7 and 9 under hundreds. So then we have the 1 that we carried. So now we have 7 plus 9, that is 16, plus the 1 that we carried. So that will be 17. So we have 7 again. So we carry 1. Then we take the 1 to 100,000. So take the 1 to 100,000. So we have 8 plus 4, that is 12. Then plus 1, that is 13. So write 3 below in thousands column and carry 1 to 10,000 column. So let's move to the next step. We have adding 10,000s. So that is, we have 2 and 3 under 10,000s. Then plus the 1 that we have from thousands. So we have 1 plus 3 plus 2. Then we have 6. So write 6 in 10,000s column. So we have finally reached the end. So now let's move to addition of two numbers up to 5 digits without carrying. In this case, we have number 3, we have find the sum of 38426 and 41270 without carrying. So we have, you arrange the digit of the D addends in columns. So that's, we have 62483, and we have 07214. So 6 plus 0 is 6, 2 plus 7 is 9, 4 plus 2 is 6, 8 plus 1 is 9, then 3 plus 7, 3 plus 4 is 7. So the sum of 38426 and 41270 is 79696. So this one is just like the repetition of the steps that was followed. All right. So now let's move to addition of 3 numbers up to 5 digits. 3 numbers up to 5 digits. So we have an example here. It said find the sum of 31452, then 68913 and 25438. So step 1 says add ones, that is all the numbers under ones place value. So we have 2 plus 3 plus 8, so we have 13. So it says write. So we have 110, 3 ones. So that means we have write 3 under ones, carry 1 to tens place. So then step 2 says add tens. So 1 carry up. So that will be 1 plus 5 plus 3. So that will be tens. So we have 100, 0 tens. So you now be write 0 on the tens, carry 1 to hundreds place. So then the third step is add hundreds. We have 1 carried up, so we have 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 4, so which is equal to 18. So that's 1800. So we have 1800. So you write 8 under hundreds, carry 1 to thousands place. So step 4 says add thousands. So 1 was carried up, so it will now be 1 plus 8 plus 5, which is equal to 15 thousands. So we have 1 10,000, 5 thousands. So we'll write 5 on the thousands, carry 1 to 10,000 place. Alright, so the very last step is to add 10,000s. So carry 1. So that will be 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2, which is equal to 12. So write the whole of the 12 under 10,000s. So that will be 125803. So that's the answer for the 3 numbers with 5 digits. Alright, so adding of 3 numbers up to 5 digits with what problem? So let's get to see what problems on addition of 5-digit numbers. So here is a question. So we have number 1, in a city there are 76,329 men, then 82,456 women, and 43,528 children. So they said, what is the total population of the city? So what is the total population of the city? All right. So solution to the problem now is we have number of men, which is 76,329. The number of women, 82,456. The number of children, 43,528. So we arrange them. Then after the arrangement, we have 76329, 82456, then 43528. Then we have 202,313. Thank you. I've come to the end of the class. God bless you.